Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and these are the top 3 reasons why you need to buy a pair of the Crocs Echo Clog. Number 1, these are modeled, I'm not going to say they directly are, but you can see the inspiration is from the Slade Bembury, Pollux, obviously the shape, very much the same as that. Number 2, you can actually put gibbets on this. Unlike the Pollux Crocs, you can't put any gibbets on those. You can force it if you want, but they weren't designed specifically to have gibbets put on them. But these are. And number 3, these are a pair of Crocs. Now, Crocs, I know, it is very decisive among loads of people whether they're cool or not. I think they're cool because they're very comfortable as well. I'm getting old, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm here about comfort. Don't care what it looks like to me, but I do think that these are really cool, very unique. You're gonna attract a lot of eyes to look at your feet, and that rounds it off. Those are the top 3 reasons why I believe you should buy a pair of the Echo Clog from Crocs. Until next time, guys, let us know your thoughts, feelings, and emotions in the comment section below. Until next time, follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram and on TikTok. And until next time, I can keep saying that. I know I do. I'm sorry, but peace.